Welcome to another exciting product showcase. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the revolutionary FA110 Biometric Recognition System from Grandang. Take a look at this stylishly designed device. Its 2.8-inch touchscreen is not only easy to use but also provides a clear interface for users. It supports both time attendance and access control. Employees can easily log their working hours by simply using their face, fingerprint, or card, and the system keeps track of all these records. With a capacity of 50,000 logs, the FA110 offers great connectivity options. It supports TCP/IP and USB, and if you need it, we can customize it to have Wi-Fi. And the installation? It's a breeze. You can easily install it on the wall in just a few simple steps. No need for complex wiring or professional installers. Another great feature of the FA110 is its multi-language support. Whether your employees speak English or many other languages, they can easily select their preferred language on the system. It's packed with features, easy to install, and comes with a powerful management software. Thanks for watching.